Welcome to the JPS VIA Management Portal series. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to create and manage feature keys and client settings templates. To create a template, log into your department and select the Templates tab. Here you will see two tabs labeled Feature Keys and Settings. Select the appropriate tab and click Add to begin the creation of a new template. When creating a new template, you will need to provide a template name, and then you will be able to select the features or settings available to the users that are to be assigned to that template. Clicking Submit will create and save the template. Once a template is created, the template settings can be edited by clicking on the template name and then clicking on the Settings tab. Users can be assigned by clicking on the template name and then clicking on the Assign Users button. All available users will be displayed on this screen. It should be noted that once users are assigned to a template, they will not be available to other similar templates. Users can be unassigned from a template by opening the template, clicking the checkbox next to a user, and selecting the Unassigned Users option. Users can also be unassigned through the Users tab. Once a user has been assigned to a template, you will not be able to edit the individual features or settings until that user has been unassigned. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial video detailing the templates available in JPS VIA. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and be sure to check out our other videos on the JPS YouTube page.